healthy around here.
What you got?
Rice cake, hummus, some turkey, 125 calories for both.
Oh boy.
Tastes like cardboard, but it's healthy.
Yeah, just sometimes getting that in there.
I'm not quite sure I've got the stretch down though, so is it?
It's the quad. Aaron, you gonna just do stretches or join in on our sales meeting today?
He's gonna do stretches.
I'm gonna do push-ups because I gotta get fit.
So, I heard you got some problems with me today.
I do. First of all, own a business, they say. It'll be fun, they say.
We're filming too much and taking up all the data and almost breaking our
Yeah,
server.
Cody, what are you
and
doing,
now
man?
You're out here recording
You see this
more
thing
shit?
right here?
Trying to film more to break the next one.
You broke it.
That looks like it's operating.
You crashed our server this morning. Cost me about $1,800 to go buy an upgraded server. And I have to go buy a portable hard drive to have you temporarily move your stuff over so our team can get on our server. I'm thinking bagels for the next month or so on you.
Well, I thought we had more space than we did. It didn't actually crash. It just filled up all the way. But we got my own hard drive, so we're good to go there. Lesson to all you entrepreneurs out there. If you want a videographer, we come at a price and equipment is not cheap.
Dude, what the what'd you guys do?
Look at how
Still
big.
gonna adjust.
Look at this. Holy
Hello there, camera guy.
What's going on?
Just chilling.
Why?
Because the air conditioning unit in our building is broken and it's 95 degrees today. So the office is probably like 132. So just chilling. How you doing over there, Nick?
my worst nightmare.
So we got this fan I'm borrowing. There's a fan over there. There's a fan over right in front of Lindsay. There's a fan. There was a fan in front of my office. There's a fan in Mike's office. And then, yeah.
Locals dancing.
It's Thursdays at the new office. Give the people a rundown what we do on Thursdays.
On Thursdays, I'm able to link up with Cody, go over some of our creative content ideas, stuff that he has in the can, new designs that he has. I get to see some of the commercial edits and footage like firsthand, which is super cool. I link with Scott and Cody and we brainstorm, go over some business things, and yeah, it's super cool. It's a different environment than the office in Corona, just because it's more, it has an art vibe to it, a lot of creative vibe going on, and I love that type of stuff. So I'm able to experience it once a week, and Thursday is the day that I come down here, and they allow me to chill with them for the day. So it's super cool. I love it.
Meanwhile, Scott's he's too good for us. He's in meetings and meetings.
Right, and then we have meetings after that too, and so. But yeah, it's dope.
What's going on, everybody? Just capped off a couple really busy weeks. Was out in Mexico for a mastermind, was out in Vegas at Ryan Pineda's event, was out in Phoenix for something with Sean Terry. I have been traveling like crazy, and back here in the office, my team has been killing it, locking up contract after contract. Even in a time when people say the real estate market is hot and it's tough to make money, we are still out there making money. If you want to know how we do it, make sure to check out my coaching program. We've got some slots available. Finally starting to open that stuff back up again. We can do some monthly calls, we can do weekly calls, whatever it is you want. Make sure to check that out. I'm Scott Oots. We'll talk to you later.